Have you ever felt like your brain is running you instead of you running your brain? You wake up in the morning with big plans, but distractions, temptations, and old habits take over. By night, you wonder, why didn't I do what I promised myself? The truth is, success in life doesn't start with money, connections, or luck. It starts with control over your brain. Because if you can control your thoughts, your emotions, and your focus, you can control your life. Today, I'm going to share powerful rules to help you master your brain. If you stay with me till the end, I promise you'll never see your own mind the same way again. Be the watchman of your thoughts. Your brain is like a garden. If you don't choose what to plant, weeds will grow by themselves. Negative thoughts, doubts, fears, they come automatically. But positive, empowering thoughts? You have to plant them deliberately. So from today, be the watchman of your mind. Every time a thought enters, ask, does this thought serve me or sabotage me? If it sabotages you, throw it out immediately. Master the art of focus. Distractions are your brain's biggest enemy. Social media, endless scrolling, notifications, these are tools designed to hijack your mind. Train yourself to focus. Start small, 25 minutes of deep work without checking your phone. Slowly increase. The more you control your focus, the stronger your brain becomes. Remember, energy flows where attention goes. Control your emotions before they control you. Your brain reacts instantly to anger, fear, jealousy. These emotions cloud judgment and push you into mistakes. Next time you feel angry or anxious, don't fight it. Pause. Breathe. Label the feeling, I am angry, I am anxious. When you name an emotion, you take away half its power. That's how you stop your brain from driving you into the wrong decisions. Reprogram with positive habits. Your brain is programmable, just like a computer. The problem is, most people program it with bad habits. Replace them with positive rituals. Wake up early. Read daily. Exercise. Practice gratitude. Each small habit rewires your brain to work for you instead of against you. Feed your brain quality information. Garbage in, garbage out. If you constantly feed your brain gossip, negativity, and cheap entertainment, don't expect it to produce genius ideas. Instead, feed it wisdom. Read books. Listen to mentors. Watch content that inspires and educates you. Your brain becomes what you consume. So remember, your brain can be your greatest enemy or your greatest ally. The choice is yours. Follow these rules, and you'll stop being a slave to your thoughts. You'll become the master of your mind, and ultimately, the master of your destiny. Because the truth is simple. If you control your brain, you control your life.